Hello and welcome back. This is me Ibtihar Ahmed once again with you as your language course instructor. In the previous video or in the previous class, we have talked about reading and writing techniques, the practical application just by traditional method. But in today's video, we will add some technological elements, some technological tools in our class. We are going to study or read once again another short story of O. Henry, The Gift of Magi. Before starting the class, you have to keep some objectives in your mind, which are to engage you people in active reading and writing activities. Second, you will be able to read comprehensively. Third, you will be able to write correctly. Fourth, you will be able to use technology while reading and writing. Like in reading, you can use unlike dictionaries, you can use websites which are helpful in pronunciation or which give us audio recording of these stories. In the last, you will be able to know about the structure, the sentence structure used in the story. Before starting the lesson, keep some instructions in your mind. Read the story, whole story. Second, underline the difficult words in vocabularies. Fourth, make sure the correct use of dictionary. Fourth, make sure the correct use of second technological tools. Maybe it is an app for pronunciation or maybe it is a website. Like the previous video, in today's video, you have to follow the same pattern. There will be guided practice and there will be independent practice. In the guided practice, all of you will be divided into same groups. There will be a group member or group leader and you. He or she will read the story while all other group members will underline the difficult vocabularies, will pay attention to the pronunciation, will pay attention to the sentence structure, will pay attention to the main idea of this story. When they finish this activity of guided practice, each one of you will be instructed to do this by yourself, and which is called independent practice. And independent practice can be done inside the class or outside of the class, maybe in homes, in hostel or other places. In independent practice, you have to follow the same instructions, you have to follow the same rules and regulations, you have to keep the same objectives in your mind and to do all the things by yourselves. Like you have to read the story by yourself, like you have to underline the difficult vocabularies, like you have to find the meaning through online dictionary, or you have to find the correct pronunciation using online website or online dictionary. After completion of the guided practice and independent practice, there will be your assessment. This assessment will be for your benefit. I will do formative assessment. In formative assessment, you will be asked maybe some sort of questions, or you will be given some sort of blanks to fill, or you will be given multiple choice questions to choose the correct answer, or you will be asked to read the story correctly and to pronounce that word correctly. After the formative assessment, there will be a final assessment. In the last, the final assessment, you will be checked finally, and the score will be added into your final score. So you have to be ready for all the activities, for all the assessment. Just now, it's just time to start the activity. Keep this thing in your mind that the objectives, the instructions, you will follow all the instructions. First, you have to do guided practice, then you have to do independent practice. In independent practice, you will do all the things by yourself. And after completion of the guided practice in independent practice, there will be a kind of formative assessment. In the formative assessment, I will do a positive feedback. I will give you a positive feedback to correct yourself in that particular portion of the lesson plan. After formative assessment, there will be final assessment. Thank you.